Okay, here's the new trumpet. It is kind of weird looking, I agree. Kind of Dr. Seuss-ish, but here we go. We're going to try it playing something. And the third valve likes to stick still. I need to sand it more probably. You can see I've got still some problems. It doesn't sound super great. It is beginning to sound good enough to play something. Still has a lot of air leaks. I'm not sure. It does sound a little better than the previous one. So this is the new weird one. It actually has like a little coil here, and I did all this so that it would print on my print bed. So that's why this all is one big piece. This is one piece. So that's kind of how that works. All right. Anyway, it's online. Take care. Bye.